Hi there YouTube, today I'll be showing you the very easy but commonly found hard trigonometry. Just like that. Now, trigonometry is a level 8 standard, depending on the question, sometimes going into level 9. There are three basic formulas that you need to remember for this. They're named as sin, cos, tan. You'll also find these buttons on a scientific calculator. Now the formulas for these are if you're wondering what these letters stand for, I'll tell you. So O stands for opposite, A stands for and H stands for hypotenuse. So in sin you see that it's O, opposite, over H, hypotenuse, cos, it's adjacent, and H, again hypotenuse, and so forth. You can work this out, which is tan. O is opposite, A is adjacent, so it's opposite over adjacent, which is basically opposite divided by adjacent. Now most people know this, but what a lot of people struggle on is actually working out these formulas. So let's say we have a triangle. Oops. Oh, that's no good. Let's say we have a triangle like so. We can automatically tell that this is 90 degrees. And for let's just say we want to work out this angle. Let's just say that we know this angle. Let's just say it's 33. This side is 9, and this side is whatever, and this side is whatever. Now the first part of trigonometry is labeling all the sides. So this is hypotenuse. Most people get stuck on which is A and which is O. First I'll explain why this is H. The hypotenuse is always the longest side. No matter in anything, the hypotenuse is always the longest side in any triangle. So it's the longest side. A is basically the one always next to theta. Oh, come on. Just bear with me. Sorry about that. And A is always next to theta. That's theta. Now, for those of you who don't know, the angle that is given is always named theta. So if you want to work at A, we first locate theta, which is over here. Just get another colour so it's easy for you to see. So theta's over here, and then we know that's theta, and then A is here because it's next to it. Now you might think, why is this not A? Well, that's not A because it's the longest side, and that's automatically the hypotenuse. In any triangle, I'd suggest always finding the hypotenuse first, and so then it's easier to find out the other sides. So yeah. Sorry about that, I had to get a new paper. I'll put in the link, I'll just say in the description what I mean when I say that. Anyway, so we know that's theta, so A is automatically that, and then O has no choice but to be that one. So, let's just draw that out again. So we know that's 9, that's the hypotenuse. We know that's 33, we know this side is A, we know this side is O. At the moment, we don't know which side we want to find out. So in the question it would say find out angle A, for an example, or O, or H, or whatever really. But most times, sometimes they say X and they replace O with X. That basically wants you to find out X. So to do that, you need the formula. So let's just remind ourselves. So it's O over H. That. So we want to find out, let's just say in this example, O. We would like to find out O. So in O we have H and A. So we look along H and A in any order and we see cos. So this is what we do. Cos theta, which is very important, equals A, and instead of writing H we just transfer this number into the formula, so that's A over 9. We want A by itself, so how do we get rid of it? Take away this number, but we can't just scribble out the formula, so we times it by 9. And whatever we do to this side has to be done to this side, so you times this side by 9. Obviously these two will cancel out, basic algebra. Now you're left with 9 times cos theta. So you may need a scientific calculator here. Well, you do need a scientific calculator here. So you do cos, and then see that there in the brackets, that's in the brackets on your scientific calculator, you'd put whatever theta is, that's 33 equals cos 30, oh my god. Let me just work out how to use this, be right back. So anyway, now I've found a scientific calculator, this is what we'll do. So you find the cos button, which is this one, and in the brackets we type in whatever this number here was. So in this case it's 33, so we do cos 33, close the brackets, and that equals 0.8. Yeah, so you should just jot that down somewhere. So 0.838, let's just say 0.838. Okay, we got that. So we know that the cos with the theta equals 0.838. Yeah, so that side can't be 0.838. So then what we do with that is, because we have this times 9, we times it by 9. So it's 9 times 0.838. Or from there you just go times 9. 7.54. And then this side we write 7.54. And that's basically a very basic trigonometry question. So I'll be posting another video, not the same video, same type of video explaining trigonometry again, but this time I'll go more slowly and explain each step thoroughly and hopefully be a little neater. This is my first video, so tell me what I need to improve on. Subscribe, comment, like, do all of that, and I hope you learned something. So, and goodbye.